Hi guys, welcome to today's video on this channel. Here is a very big update from SuperEX. Guys, SuperEX is an exchange platform that brings to its customer or user benefits time to time. And on this platform, guys, you're going to earn huge amount of money provided you are able to do one or two things. Guys, this information was released 19 hours ago. $50 worth of future trading fee coupon to give away to 5 people. Guys, it's more than that. On this platform, guys, you're going to enjoy benefit. As usual, guys, in today's video I will guide you on how to earn from this platform. Now we are celebrating Yuletide night. That is, SuperEX is celebrating Yuletide night. What do you need to benefit from celebrating Yuletide night with SuperEX? Guys, it's very simple. Yuletide night, a nationwide trading celebration. Join us for exciting reward. Invite friends and earn unlimited prices. So if you can invite your family, friends, guys, on this platform, you're going to earn more benefit from it. All you have to do, guys, to create an account. After you created the account, guys, then you move on. The first thing, you have to deposit at least 20 USDT and get 10 USDT reward. That is wonderful. 10% bonus for depositing amount of USDT more than 100 USDT. Now, new users trade and claim up to 10 USDT. In total, guys, you know what you're going to earn depending on what you can really afford on this platform. And this particular activities or event is going to be between December 11 to December 25th of this year, which is very good one from SuperEX. Guys, in order to join this particular benefit, you need to create an account with SuperEX, and setting up an account with SuperEX, guys, is very simple. Just click on the link in the video description, guys. Once you click on that link, guys, it brings to a page where to provide all your necessary information. You can do this, guys. It's very simple. Once you've created your account, verify your account, and verification on SuperEX is super easy. Now that I've done that, now let's move into a mobile device and complete simple feature tradings on this platform. So guys, now you've created your account and you verify your account, the next thing now is to deposit your USDT into this platform. But guys, before I go into detail, note that this video is for educational purpose, not a financial advice video. Now, in order to deposit your USDT, is very simple, guys. Come over to this place and tap on asset button. Once tap on the asset button, it comes up like this. Now go to this button that says deposit and tap on it. Once tap on deposit button, it comes up like this, guys. Now go to the search bar here, type in USDT, or you pick USDT from what comes up here, guys. Now that I've tapped on USDT, wait a bit for this page to load up. Now you can send your USDT to this platform using any of these network, ranging from Binance Smart Chain through Optimism. Now that I've done that and your USDT have been sent to this place, now the next thing you have to do is to trade on this platform, and we are going for future trading. Now to do that, guys, tap and hold this button. There is button here, guys. Tap and hold this button for a few seconds. It comes up like this, guys. Then we're going to select this one, feature trading. Tap on it. Once tap on the feature trading, it comes up like this. That is one of the way to access feature trading on this platform. The second way is to come over and tap on this market button. Once tap on the market button, it comes up like this. Make sure you go and tap on this feature. Once tap on the feature, it comes up like this, guys. Then go ahead and tap on this trade button. Once tap on the trade button, it brings you back to this place. Now we are at the future trading system or interface on this platform. The next thing you have to do, guys, is to come over to this place and select your trading pairs. Once you tap on that button, it comes up like this, guys. Enter your trading pairs into this place. Then you select your trading pairs from what is here. You can as well select all and see all of that trading pairs on this platform. Now that I've selected your trading pairs, the next thing I want you to do is to tap on this button. Tap on that button to have better understanding of what is happening to the pairs you've selected and know more about this, just to have a little understanding of what the market, and I'm sure you've carried out your analysis. The next thing you have to do now is to come back to this place. I want to explain key feature here, and we'll explain this one where you see isolated. I will explain this one as well. Then I will also cover some of the important things you need to know about this place. Now the first one is to tap on that isolated. Once tap on the isolated button, guys, it comes up here. You have isolated, you have cross margin. So I will explain the cross margin before I go into the isolated. Cross margin means that it takes money or it trade from all assets you have in your wallet, which is very risky. Yes, it's very risky. Let me explain why I say it's risky. Assuming you have a 1,000 USDT on your account and you've decided to trade just 200 USDT on a certain token, but the market go against your prediction, then instead of it to be liquidated from the market, the system will just go to your main account and start trading. And you know that when it comes to crypto, it's highly volatile. All your assets may be taken within very short time. So I don't recommend cross margin for any newbies. Tap on isolate. Now the reason isolate is that assuming you have a thousand USDT on your account and you've decided to trade with just 200 USDT and the market go against your prediction, instead of the system to go to your main account and pick money from that main account, no, the system will log you out of the market. It means the remaining 800 USDT are still intact in your account. So guys, go ahead and tap on confirm button. Make sure you select isolated. Now the next one I want to talk about is this where you see 5x. It is called leverages. Leverages is very good, but I always advise my users to trade between 3 to 5x. Yes, it's better to take it little by little and accumulate your pocket than taking it once and run out of the market. Now, what does that mean is that if you are trading with 100 UXTT and you are on 5x, it means the system will be trading with 500 UXTT and your commission is based on that amount of X. And if the prediction is going against your will as well, you are the system will take you out of the market as soon as fast. So guys, always make use of 3x to 5 leverages. That is all I advise, guys. So you can see I pick 5 leverages here. Now the next thing I want to talk is this spotting. We have limit and we have market, we have stop limit and stop market. So guys, I'll just talk about the two important one here. All others are important, but I will talk about this limit one and the market because these are the common one that people or traders normally use. Let's talk about the market. Now here is the market. Once you tap on the market, you see that the navigator has changed. Now you enter the amount of UXTT you want to trade into this place and the amount of token you will get comes up and you get it at market price. Now you may ask, what is the market price? Here is the market price. You buy the token at this price and this goes for all other token you want to buy on this platform. Now let's quickly talk about the next one, which is limit order. Limit order to me is the best. You ask me why it's best because you decide when you are to enter into the market, you decide when you want to out of the market. For example, now the current price of this BTC is 100,000 plus here now, and you think that in the next 2 to 3 hours the price of this token will come down to 99,000, 98,000 UXDT. You enter that UXDT here, then the amount of UXDT you want to use to start trading, you enter it into this place, then you tap on this button. What it means is that when the price falls to the price you selected here, guys, then the system will complete your order, it will initiate your order, then you buy that. Now let me talk about this buy long and buy short, or long and short. Guys, when you say long, it means you predict that the price of any token against UXDT is going to increase. I mean the price will go up. That is the meaning of this green. Then when you talk about the red, it means you predict that anytime from now the price of any token against USDT is coming down, and that is when you make use of this red button. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to earn from this platform. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel, guys. Turn the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important video on this channel. Thank you, guys. See you soon on our next video.